So welcome to the project demonstration of DC motor speed controlling by using 555 timer. So this is the pure electrical project without using any programming or any microcontroller. So we are going to making use of a 555 timer in a stable mode. So because 555 timer can be used in three modes. One is a bistable mode and monostable mode and a stable mode. So let us explain you the what is monostable. So whenever we provide the trigger pulse input to the third pin of our 555 timer, so then based on the trigger input, it will provide the only one stable, that is 1 directly, that's 0 based on the predefined connections. So nothing but whenever you provide the trigger pulse, so it will provide only one signal, and after that it will keep on same position until you switch off the power supply to the 555 timer. That is the monostable. So coming to the bistable nothing but, so whenever we provide the same trigger pulse to the trigger pin of a 555 timer, so it will change the output signal, that is 0 to 1. For example, trigger 1. So one time I provide the trigger pulse, then it will come to the 0 to 1, again trigger 1 to 0. So it's keep on changing when we provided the trigger pulses. So that bistable mode will be useful in our generally clap switches. So when you first clap, light on, second clap, light off, again third clap, light on. So like this it will keep on changing the position and output pin. So now we are using in unstable mode. Unstable mode nothing but, so without any trigger pulse, just while we switch on the gate, based on the resistance value we provided from this potentiometer, so it will provide the on time and off time changes. So when I'm increasing the resistance value, the on time will increase, so that the speed of the DC motor will be increased as we will get the maximum average voltage, that is 0 to 5 volts. So let us see the explanations. So we are providing 230 volts input to this regulator power supply board, so which will provide the 5 volts constant output. That is the main source of input voltage to the all the modules like potentiometer, 555 timer and DC motor. So whenever we increasing the resistance, the on time increases and off time decreases. So parallelly average voltage increases. So whenever the average voltage increases from 0 to 5, then the DC motor speed increases. Again off time increases, on time decreases, then the output average voltage will be decreases from 5 to 0, so that the motor speed will be decreased. So let us see a demonstration. So directly provide the inputs. So as of now, predefinedly it was set, and now so I am decreasing that. The R value decreases, so that on time decreases. The average voltage will be decreases parallel, right? And I am increasing that again. So the R value changes from this potentiometer. So we are using 1 kilo ohm potentiometer. Based on the resistance value, 555 timer take a decision to control the duty cycle outputs to the DC motor, right? Thank you.